that brings in mind that the next big attribute that how the bank needs to rethink is the concept of design. So if you want to unpack an entire customer journey, you want to know where the friction points are and how to eliminate those friction points, you have to hire people with that design muscle, right? Understanding it from a design thinking perspective on the entire journey. So, we talked about, and maybe let me summarize, right? We talked about that the future bank and the future leaders of banks need to, not only are they customer-centric, they need to be digital enabled, they need to be agile and adaptive, sustainable behavior and sustainable mindset, but more importantly, having that muscle and skill around understanding design, because this whole customer journey that you just mentioned, whether be it a corporate customer or a consumer customer, all of that has this journey. And if you get that journey right, you create an amazing experience, and therefore you increase that commercial value between you and your customers.